In this video, we're diving into PHP file handling, specifically focusing on writing to files. Get ready to master the 3 essential functions that will allow you to write data to files in PHP. Let's explore the 3 primary functions in PHP for writing files. First, we have fwrite, which allows you to write data to an open file with precision and control. Then there's fputs, which is actually an alias of fwrite, meaning it has the exact same functionality and usage. Finally, we have file_put_contents, a one-step solution for writing data directly to a file. Let's take a closer look at the fwrite function. The syntax is as follows: fwrite, then in parentheses, you have the parameters $file, $data, and $length. The $file parameter represents the file resource, which is required. The $data parameter is the string you want to write to the file, and it's also required. The $length parameter is optional and specifies the maximum number of bytes to write. Let's walk through a simple example of how to use fwrite. First, we open a file named data.txt in write mode using the fopen function and assign the file resource to the variable $file. Next, we define a variable called $text and assign it the string hello world. Finally, we use fwrite to write the contents of $text to the file specified by $file. After writing, it's important to close the file using fclose with the file resource $file. Now let's discuss the fputs function. Its syntax mirrors that of fwrite, fputs, then in parentheses, $file, $data, and $length. Remember that fputs is simply an alias of fwrite, offering identical functionality, so you can use whichever name you prefer. They both do the same job. Let's explore the file_put_contents function. The syntax is file_put_contents, then in parentheses the parameters $filename, $data, and $flags. The $filename parameter specifies the path to the file and is required. $data is the data you want to write to the file, also required. $flags are options like file_append, allowing you to modify the writing behavior. Let's see file_put_contents in action with a simple example. First, we define a variable $data and assign it the string welcome to PHP. To write this data to a file named welcome.txt, we use file_put_contents, passing in the file name and the data. To append the same data to a log file named log.txt, we use file_put_contents again, but this time we include the file_append flag. This ensures that the new data is added to the end of the file, rather than overwriting its contents. Let's summarize the key differences between these file writing functions. Fwrite and fputs offer manual control, requiring you to use fopen and fclose. They are best suited for scenarios where you need to perform multiple operations on a file. On the other hand, file_put_contents is a one-step solution that automatically handles file operations, making it ideal for simple writing tasks. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.